In fashion, precision isn't just a detail, it's the foundation of everything we do. Meters, yards, GSM, ounces, Denier, Momme, every region speaks a different language. And to work globally, we need to speak them all. So today, we are decoding how measurement units connect, convert, and communicate across the supply chains. By the end, you'll not only know the conversions, you'll also understand why they matter. Welcome to Bite-Sized Knowledge Bomb. Today, we talk about measurement units.
1. Length. Meters, yards, inches. Let's begin with the basics. Length. Across most of the world, fabric is measured in meters. In the US, it's yards or inches. Here's the essential conversion. 1 yard equals 0.9144 meters. 1 meter equals 1.094 yards. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Example: if a buyer requests 100 yards of fabric, that equals 91.44 meters. Or, a sleeve length of 60 centimeters equals 23.6 inches. Tip: always check which unit your buyer or supplier uses before preparing a quote or cutting a marker. Small measurement differences at the start can lead to large production variances later. 2. Weight. Kilograms, pounds, ounces. When dealing with fabric rolls, yarn cones, or shipments, weight conversions are constant. Here's the quick reference. 1 kilogram equals 2.2046 pounds. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Example: a carton labeled 20 kilograms equals 44 pounds. A supplier saying, each roll is 10 pounds, means 4.54 kilograms. Tip: when preparing documentation, always mention both metric and imperial units. It ensures clarity across countries and consistency in records. 3. Fabric weight. GSM versus ounces per square yard. Now let's talk about one of the most important and often misunderstood units: fabric weight. GSM, grams per square meter, is the global standard for fabric weight. Ounces per square yard is often used in denim, fleece, and woven categories. Here's the key conversion. 1 ounce per square yard equals 33.9 GSM. GSM divided by 33.9 equals ounces per square yard. A 180 GSM jersey equals about 5.3 ounces per square yard. And a 12-ounce denim? That's 12 times 33.9, roughly 406.8 GSM. Once you know this ratio, switching between the two systems becomes second nature. 4. Special textile units. Momme, Denier, Dtex. Different materials have their own traditional measurements. Let's look at 3 key ones. Momme, used for silk fabrics. What Momme is approximately 4.34 grams per square meter. 16. Momme silk equals 69 GSM. Smooth, elegant, and lightweight. Denier, D. Used for synthetics like nylon or polyester. It measures the weight in grams of 9,000 meters of yarn. Higher Denier equals thicker, stronger yarn. 30. Denier equals fine and soft. 600 Denier equals firm and heavy-duty. Dtex, Dtex. A modern metric version measuring weight per 10,000 meters. 1 Dtex equals 0.9 Denier. So 110 Denier yarn equals 99 Dtex. 5. Why these matter. Every specification sheet, costing file, and production order depends on accurate unit understanding. A designer might ask for a 200 GSM cotton. A buyer might call it a 6-ounce fabric. Different words, same meaning, and both correct. When you understand the relationships between these systems, you can collaborate globally with confidence. Accuracy in measurement builds credibility, trust, and smooth workflow from design to dispatch.
So here's what to remember. Know the unit system, learn the simple conversion ratios, always confirm which system is being used. Fashion may begin with creativity, but it succeeds with precision. The more fluent you become, with these conversions, the more effective you'll be across every part of the supply chain. And before you head back to cutting table, download the Ready Reckoner conversion chart. Because remembering every formula is heroic, but having it in your pocket is smarter. This is bite-sized knowledge bomb.